Hi everyone! Today we will continue to talk about full body CAD. So let's start our lesson number 10. Last time we created full body CAD. Today we will learn what to do to improve its look to make it more realistic. Let's open our body with floral print. What if our print has a black background? Go to Flat Sketch layer, select Outline and make it lighter. In this case, you even don't have to select Outline. You can lighten up the entire layer because only outline matters. You don't see inside area anyway. But if your print is navy blue, I'd suggest to play with outline more creatively. Let's make it light blue. Next step. You've probably noticed that printed fabric looks more faded on the back side. When we do realistic look, let's indicate that feature in the most obvious spot, the neck area. Let's open our plaid short multi-layer file. For now, let's work on neck area for upper layer. Create new layer, let's call it neck layer. Go to sketch layer, choose Magic Wand Tolerance 0 Anti-Aliased Off. Contiguous checked. Click on neck area. Go to neck layer and fill it with white. We are not sure how much lighter print colors look on this area. It depends on fabric quality. So let's just fake the washed out impression. Go to Layer Fill option. Drag the slider until you reach desirable effect. See, 40% is not bad. Now, let's add some kind of 3D effect. Pretend we can see the shadow inside neck area. Without selecting anything, go to Layer, Layer Style, Inner Shadow. Work in Style window. Blend mode, multiply. The best angle, I think, down to the left. Play with distance and size. Try to make shadow lighter and softer. Click OK. Isn't it short pretty? I think yes. What are the benefits of this method? The very important one. As we decided last time, it's very reasonable to put all colorways in one file. That's why we have multi-layered file. When we put shadowed white spot on separate layer, we don't have to duplicate it for each colorway. Just simply close upper layer and have the next colorway with its own shadowed neck area. 40% filling and multiply mode shadow option allow neck area to blend perfectly with each layer. If you need to be 100% perfect, you can adjust fill slider for each layer individually while you are printing. Now, this area looks like soft gray, but we remember in reality it's white. Just layer fill is 40%. So, if we choose any drawing tool, pencil or brush, with white color, we can add shadowing area anywhere drawing on this layer. See, we can enlarge neck area. Let's add some elements to this shirt. With line tool, I add slits. Colorways layers don't have outline, so select outline from sketch layer, go to each colorway layer and delete selected area. Now we have 3 shorts with slits. To indicate the back side of fabric, which we can see through slits, we can go to shadow layer and fill this area with white. Because we apply shadow effect to the entire area, we have slits with shadow also. Look, our shirt is becoming more and more alive. What else? Let's add realistic effect to the buttons. Go to sketch layer, with Magic Wand Contiguous checked. Select each button. Create new layer, let's call it button layer, and fill it, let's make it gold. We choose golden color from palette, but they look like flat yellow. How can we make it more metal? Go to Layer, Layer Style, Bevel, and Emboss. From Style drop-down menu, choose Inner Bevel. Uncheck Global Angle. We want to choose Emboss Angle for this layer only. To make golden metal effect, we have to choose light source inside this circle. Pretend light goes from upper left side, like this. To enhance this effect, pretend each button has certain thickness, so it casts own shadow. Go to Layer, Layer Style, Drop Shadow. Uncheck Global Angle, play with sliders. I think this shadow is good enough. What else? Return to Sketch Layer, go to Layer, Layer Style, Drop Shadow. Start to play with entire short shadow. It will help you a lot when you start to do board presentation. Now, create a new layer. Let's call it 3D Effect. From drop-down menu, select Multiply. From Sketch Layer with Magic Wand, contiguous check. Select Body and Sleeves area. Go to the 3D Effect layer, select Brush, choose Airbrush Style and pick black color. Let's make some random strokes to enhance high and low areas. If you think that effect is too harsh, go to Fill drop-down menu and make it more gentle with Fill slider. We can add and add different effects to make short more and more realistic. But I think even now it's good enough to impress your client and try to sell it right from CAD. Now we can print each colorway separately from the same file. You only have to close each colorway one by one and keep other layers open. Let's see. Print blue layer, then close it. Print coral layer and close it. Now you have lilac layer. Maybe for this one we can adjust something. Oh, wait a minute, why don't we change buttons to silver? Go to Button Layer, Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Why not? To finish, let's try to create simple board presentation. Make a new file. Let's do 12 by 24. Go to our multi-layered short file and make it smaller. Image, image size. Be sure dimensions are linked, reassemble checked, be cubic smooth gradient. Make percentage maybe 30. Then go to drop-down menu, merge visible. Select all, copy, go to presentation board file and paste. Then go to short file, make 2 steps back, close blue short layer, open coral short layer. Again, drop down menu, merge visible. Again, copy and paste. Then short layer again, steps back, merge visible, copy and paste. So you have as many shorts as you want on your presentation board. You can rearrange them as you wish to make pretty layout. There are not any specific rules. Just be sure when you go to Cascade Layout, each upper layer has to be lower than previous one. Otherwise you will overlap color part, which is important. For more impressive look, you can add some design to background. Go to Background Layer, duplicate it. Go to Layer, Layer Style, Pattern Overlay. From Custom Pattern drop-down menu, go to that star and choose any pattern you may have in library. Or just go to System Pattern and choose, Natural Pattern. Choose Append. You will see your background covered with pattern. Before clicking OK, you can change the size and opacity of pattern coverage. Obviously, you don't want to interact with your main design shorts, so I'm choosing some soft coverage. To give it even more impressive look, you can add more interesting effects. Color overlay gives additional tint, texture effect, again play with scale, and stroke effect for the border. When you like it, don't forget to check preview. Click OK. Now you can choose any font and type appropriate information using your creativity. You can also add effect to lettering using the same method. Layer, layer style. So now we know how to add realistic look to full body CAD and create storyboards. The next topic is chosen based on my subscriber request. So we will talk about color separation for rotary, digital and screen printing. By the way, if you would like to add your own topic, don't hesitate, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, like it if you still didn't, and please don't forget to check your bell. See you soon!